My name is Hadi Ahmadi, and I heard from radio that there was a big earthquake in Bam and everything destroyed. I was in Bam for 2 years after earthquake. When I arrived there, everywhere just destroyed and a lot of the body on the streets. I saw a big collapse. The Bam city that we know as a Bam now dates back to 2,500 years ago. A very beautiful, big castle, a mud brick castle. Everyone knows Bam Citadel as a symbol of, earthen architecture in Iran. Some experts argue about we have to rebuild Bam Citadel as it was, with same material, same method, just keep the tradition, keep the authenticity. Some others believe that we have to reconstruct Bam with new material and totally reconstruct it, rebuild it. The middle decision between these two groups, it was rebuild Bam by traditional material, but using the modern methods. With knowledge we have now about the mud brick, soil, clay, we can add and extract something, having the best mud brick possible. Everything's in Bam still made by mud brick. Mud brick technology didn't change so much till now. First step, they made the mud and put in the timber frame, then remove the timber, put under the sun to dry it. It's just very simple. The scientific part is a study about what kind of soil we use and then what kind of adding things to soil, and third, how put them together. We use something to add mud brick, usually straw, to add mud brick for increasing its resistance about cracking. German experts from Dresden University, they use some new material for stick mud brick together in wall, such as fiberglass. The Iranian part using the palm trees, they made the rope and put together the mud brick dome. Archaeologists found a lot of things. Before earthquake, everybody thought it maybe dates back to 2,500 years ago, but they didn't know what's happened inside the walls, what happened under the houses. Now you can see a beautiful, clean city with alleys and the bazaar, the buildings. You can see several workshops with labor and masters who are actually rebuild and restore the destroyed buildings. You can see a lot of scaffolding, a lot of workers who are working on reconstruct Bam. All Iranian was united about the Bam earthquake and Bam people, and also the world. If everybody wants the huge destruction, the huge disaster could be solved if everybody be together